In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate Messenger account. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Click on the menu option in the bottom section of your screen. Then go to Settings. Here scroll down. Then tap on Account Center option. Tap on Personal Details option. Here go to Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your Facebook account. Then select whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Tap on the Continue button. Here you'll have to enter your password. Then tap on the Continue button once again. Here you'll have to select a reason for deactivating your account. Scroll down. Then tap on Continue button. Here if you click on the drop down of Reactivate My Account, then you'll get to select the amount of days where your account will be reactivated automatically. Click on the Continue option. And here you'll have to make sure that you have not selected Continue Using Messenger option. Finally, tap on Deactivate My Account option. And that is how you can deactivate your Messenger account.